Okay, I'm Chris Bagwell, and this is my MegaDesk for .NET class. I have it open right here, my instance of it. So just to demonstrate, first go to View Quote. I could go back. Oh, it jumped over there. I could go search quotes. I could go back. I jumped over here again. And then demonstrating this, add quote. I could put in a name. If I put in a wrong value, I get a little message box that says, hey, it has to be within $24.99. So let's say 25. I could put in depth, but if I put in a J, it says please enter a number. It's actually interesting because if I go to add, I can go ahead and do that. I can go back to add. Chris 25, 35, 1, materials oak, rush order, sure, and then add, and then here I have my name, the date, the width, the depth, the oak, the material, the drawers, and I can go back to the main menu, and then I can hit exit to close, and it closes just fine. So that is my MegaDesk. Thank you.